Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where 4 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 3x, or we can write 2 square whole power x, because 2 square are same as 4 is equal to 2 to the power 3x. Or here we can apply this rule: a to the power m whole power n is equal to a to the power m n. Applying this rule here, we can write 2 to the power 2x is equal to 2 to the power 3x. Now see, here are same base but different power, so we can write 2 to 2x is equal to 3x. Or now taking this 3x to left side, we can got 2x minus 3x is equal to 0, or 2x minus 3x, that means minus x is equal to 0. Or now multiplying minus 1 to both sides, we can write minus x times minus 1 is equal to 0 times minus 1, or minus x times minus 1, it will be remaining positive x is equal to 0 times minus 1, that means 0. So the value of x is 0. To verify, our equation is 4 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 3x. Here x is equal to 0, so we can write 4 to the power 0 is equal to 2 to the power 3 times 0, or 4 to the power 0 is equal to 2 to the power 3 times 0, that means 0. Here we can use this rule: a to the power 0 is equal to 1. So 4 to the power 0 is equal to 1 and 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to 1. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So our value of x is equal to 0 is right. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.